pretty sure you guys have seen this. Well, at least some people have seen this. It's a little bit dusty. It's been in my closet for a while. There you go. It's Hot Wheels. And right there, Transformers. Right here. And it's this special box right here. I remember seeing this one being launched, and I completely forgot about this for who knows how long it's been out. So yeah, this one combines the best of both worlds. I'm a huge Transformers guy and a Hot Wheels guy. I don't know if you guys want to see a video about that later on, but let me know. I can show you my collection. Transformers, I really don't have any toys. I have like maybe like 2 Funko Pops. And I know somewhere in my closet there's like a chunk full of like Transformers from like Transformers Cybertron, like what, 2005, 2006? Something like that. But yeah, I received this and I have not opened this. I kept the seal, you know, but did not open it. I don't even know how it looks like on the inside. It's right here. I like how it's like a nice black sleep box. Pretty nice. Like it still has this. Pretty cool. Oh, it's under, oh wait, it's on the side. And there you go. It's Optimus Prime. You can see right there. Pretty cool designed. Kind of gives off like anime vibes. Looks pretty cool with his blaster. Pretty cool. It's an instruction manual. There's something underneath this, I think. Oh, it's his gun. It's his gun, and like a little spot, a little slot to like where put him when he's fully transformed. Pretty cool. You can see it's the actual Transformers like Hot Wheels box it comes with normally. And pretty cool. This is really cool for any collector that likes Transformers and Hot Wheels. I'm not sure how much it is because, you know, I received this as a gift, but I'm assuming like 50, 70, 60 bucks. No, that's way too high. Maybe like 20. But yeah, this is pretty cool for any collector out there. Pretty cool piece for my collection. And, you know, it's best of both worlds for this car channel. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and hope you guys liked it. Give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.